Hey guys, welcome to my show More Talk Football. Now wanna talk Paris Saint-Germain and Bayern Munich predictions and team news for Champions League final. So let's see. The biggest game in European football is here and we have 3 Paris Saint-Germain and Bayern Munich. Predictions for the Champions League final. The elongated 2019-20 campaign reaches its climax on Sunday, with the Champions League final, and it promises to be an absolute cracker. Between Paris Saint-Germain and Bayern Munich in Lisbon. PSG will be competing in the Champions League final for the first time after cruising past RB Leipzig in the first semi-final. While Bayern are aiming to be crowned European champions for the 6th time, having reached the final at the expense of Lyon. Bayern to prove too strong for French champions. It has already been a fantastic season for Bayern, who won the Bundesliga for the 8th year in succession before lifting the German Cup. But they will be eager to complete the treble with their first Champions League success since 2013. Brazilian to hit the goal trail. Both sides have a plethora of attacking options to choose from, none of whom more potent than Bayern striker Robert Lewandowski, who notched his 55th goal of the season against Lyon. However, the poll doesn't offer great value in the anytime scorer market. And that is why the nod instead goes to PSG superstar Neymar to get on the scoresheet in 90 minutes. The Brazil striker really should have found the back of the net in the win over Leipzig. He struck the post twice in the first half. Once when one-on-one with the keeper and again with an outrageous free kick from the right touchline, before missing the target with a low shot from inside the area. However, the 28-year-old's confidence won't be knocked by those misses, and he will be eager to get back to the scoring form he was in before the season was interrupted, when he scored in 16 of his 22 appearances. PSG team news. Mbappe came through the clash with RB Leipzig unscathed and will be part of a formidable front three with Neymar and Angel Di Maria. Leandro Paredes, Marquinhos and Ander Herrera will be the midfield trio, while Havane Burnett, Presnel Kimpembe, Thiago Silva and Thilo Kehrer face the unenviable task of stopping the Bayern attack. Bayern Munich team news. Jerome Boateng was substituted at half-time in the semi-final, but Flick has said the defender should recover in time to partner David Alaba at centre-back. Bayern's impressive performance means the starting 11 is unlikely to change. Lewandowski spearheading the attack in front of Thomas Muller with Ivan Perisic and Serge Gnabry on the wings. Alphonso Davies and Joshua Kimmich will be at left and right back respectively, while Leon Goretzka and Thiago Alcantara line up in central midfield. Paris Saint-Germain and Bayern Munich odds. The bookies have made Bayern Munich the 19/20 favourites to win the Champions League final in 90 minutes.